Ayan na po si Leslie. Naghahanap na ng bahay. Bibili na ng bahay sa Osaka. Tingnan nyo ba naman ang mga tinitignan? Oh. Ayan. Bibili na ng bahay sa Osaka ang misis ko. Mayaman pala to. Ang dami pera. Bakit tayo naglalakad?
Can somebody send him to North Korea?
Sino?
Brent.
Why? Why are you like that to your brother? Huh?
Because he's too damn big. I don't know.
Brent, wait lang.
I don't know who.
Oh, si Brent.
Whoever thinks this guy.
Dad, right
Brent.
here.
Hi, Brent.
Dad, you almost got me into a bike accident, bitch.
He should be a
Oo,
sumo in
matamaan
martial
kaya.
arts.
Ang bibilis ng bike dito. Mami, tabi tayo. Ang bibilis ng bike dito. Kaliwa. Kaliwa, Brent. Kaliwa lahat.
Left, Dad.
Left.
Stop
Tingnan mo tayo, mabibilis yung
Dad,
bike ko.
stop calling me a sumo wrestler. You're also a bigger person
Okay.
too.
That's what I thought.